What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Diff. Got some pretty exciting parts here. I painted the Diff. It's a satin black. I've got the rear Diff mounts in. Had to burn those out. No, I'm not going to slap that cover back on the plate. We do have another one under this box, which you guys will see soon. But here's the old Diff, the 200 millimeter ring gear. We are going to keep the 200 in this car. We should be able to make, the goal is to get 800 horsepower, so we should be able to make that with the current ring gear. However, we are upgrading to a OS Giken 1.5 Superlock LSD. Here's the part number. Taking the ring out was not as easy as I thought it would be. The bolts, I was reading up on it, and some of these are reverse thread. This one was not. I would highly encourage you to do your own research. This one was not reverse thread, so they did come out counterclockwise. And then when the ring comes out, it's kind of wrapped around the outside here, so you have to lightly hammer it so that it comes out. And then I ended up getting these new bearings, which you'll see on the LSD. I had my buddy press them in. Shout out to Tam. Tam has always been hooking me up. They do suggest that you replace these ring gear bolts every time you change the ring gear. Here's the part number. You will need 10 of these. I found them from my local Toyota dealership. These run about $2.50 to $3 a piece, so they're not super expensive. Okay, folks, the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to get this ring gear on this OS Giken LSD. I've had the new bearings pressed on to the old ones on the old Diff. Always get to replace them with new parts as you can. And that's it, folks. We got the oil filled up, got the drain and fill plugs torqued down. We're waiting for the subframe to come back, and then we've got all of our suspension pieces. All right, we've got the 2J flipped over. Today it's all about the oil components. We've got our upper sump here. It's the part number right there, 1211-46052. We've also got this Tomei baffle system set up. I'll tell you guys more about this as we install it. Then we've got our oil pickup as well here. Part number for that is 15104-46030. Here's the final look at the oil sump on and the Tomei baffle kit. So the point of this kit is oil comes in through these little ports, and when you take sharp turns, or if you drift, I'm probably not going to drift my car, but the purpose of this is that the oil stays within the vicinity of the baffle kit, so that this pickup will keep feeding the oil that's trapped in within this box. So the port brings the oil in, doesn't come out this way, traps the oil in. It's better for when you're taking turns and you don't want the oil to slash around. So that's what this is for. It fits in there really nicely. I did drop the oil pan on here just to make sure it all fit, and it did. So we're good there. All I gotta do is tighten down the bolts now. I haven't tightened the bolts, so we're gonna finish that up, and that will be it for this video.